What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Mayan here, back after a year of absence. Yeah, it's been fun. You know, it's a good year regarding like music, business, and all this other stuff. So for this first video of the year, I saw an ad of AIAIAI, the new like headphones and everything, and like I moved studios, as you guys can see, and I actually thought that it would be a good idea to invest in a new pair of headphones. It's been a while since I bought myself one, probably like 4 or 5 years. So yeah, why not? You know, I was like, okay, let's do it. And I saw this ad and I was like, it sounded cool. So let me move this out of the way just for a little bit. We'll talk about this one later because it's pretty cool. I'm gonna do this unboxing. I've seen a bunch of videos on like what people think about the actual headphones. I've never seen what's inside until now. So let's check it out. I just got this one in the mail. So apparently like not many people have them, which is kind of weird. But okay, I need to get my good cutters here because it's crazy. So it's what you get in the box. Hopefully the good headphones, the modular headphone system, the box. So let's see what you get with this. Okay, there's a couple of things. Oh, 4 things, right, that you get in this box. The box is pretty cool, actually. The pad that you put over your ears. So this is one. This is the wireless headband, which is pretty nice, pretty neat. And let's see what else. You get a little pouch bag, which is pretty cool. Oh, this is something that I'm intrigued about. You know, just the battery, the wireless battery. The cord, if you want to use a cord. It's pretty nice, I guess, when you're DJing out. And this is the speaker units, right? First things first, start with the speaker units. Figure it out if it's worth it or not. I mean, it wasn't that expensive randomly. It was around like, I think it was like $300 or something like that. So yeah, this is a code. So to scan your product and manual, which would be probably a good idea for me to do. Let me get my iPad because I've never done this with headphones, so why not, right? So, which my iPad has been used more by my son than myself lately. So let's figure this out here. The code, opening Chrome. Let me put this over here. Oh, look at that. It says page not found. Okay, an expected error. All right, let's see if we can figure it out. I've never done this, so there we go. So one of the units, the other unit right there. So technically, right, and I'm only assuming this. Maybe I'm doing it backwards. Maybe I'm not. But all right. So let's see what else it's in here. Come on. I'm only assuming there's, oh there, this is the left side. You can see the left right here, left side. And then the right side, which is pretty cool. Only assuming that it does matter which direction they go. And this is gonna be the right side up, I'm assuming. Yeah, there we go. You have like a little like color thing. This is my first time using any AIAIAI products, so I don't know how they work, but kind of like the idea of being modular. If you break something, then you can just replace it. Okay, so this one's kind of tricky. I'm only gonna guess that the up is SO5 Mark II is, hopefully. I'm gonna blow them up. All right, so technically this is pretty much it, right? Technically. Now let's put the ears. Come on, ears. Okay, there we go. All right. Ooh, wow, these are nice. Kind of squishy. Honestly, this is my first AIAIAI headphones that I've ever owned, so pretty cool idea, I think. Let's see how you put them on. Has 4 sides. It has like the way for like the cables to run through, so it should be pretty basic to just pop it in, hopefully. So we have one going. Okay, so everything should be working just fine. I mean, they're pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. Oh, look, It actually had a quick start guide. Look at that. Well, I guess you really don't need it. Maybe to like turn them on, maybe. On the X1, press and hold the button. Oh yeah, so we're missing this, the X01. Let's pull it out here. Oh, look at that. Easier way of opening it. I always do things the wrong way when it comes to things like this. If not, ask my wife whenever we're trying to build something from IKEA. I usually end up with like more things that I should not have in my hands. So look at this, nice cable. I like it. All right, so I'm only assuming that this is gonna go into my ¿cómo se dice? Audio interface, right? And then this is gonna go directly plugged in. The audio device is gonna send the sound. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing. Hopefully this was helpful to get everything going. Yeah, I mean, first one of the year. See you guys. Peace.